Good morning and welcome to another studio vlog. It is definitely feeling way more like autumn at the studio. It's been pretty much raining all day and I think it's going to rain for the next day as well. So yeah, it's nice to be cozy in the studio. I have just made my coffee. I actually have the radiator on at beside me to try and keep warm. I'm just wearing a cozy hoodie today and yeah, just feeling very autumnal and very much in the flow of making. So I think in our last video I was working on Spring Summer 25 and I still am. It's basically just a continuation of that. I was making all the charms, which I've finished making all the charms now. They're done. And now I've moved on to I'm making the skirts for the new collection. So that's what I've been working on for the past while. I also had a good few orders come in, so maybe tomorrow we're going to pack all the orders. I think I'll make the gift bags today before I leave the studio. Yeah, so today I'm continuing on with new collection and then also starting to get those orders packed. Generally what I like to do is when I get a few orders is I'll make all the gift bags together. Yeah, I'll get all my gift bags made and then we can pack everything and send everything by Friday. So that's just kind of where I am today. I'm going to get into my flow now of getting my fabric cut out for another skirt and getting that made. I'm kind of trying to get a good few pieces made each week. I think I said in last week's studio vlog that I wouldn't have time to make an autumn winter collection, but if I do find some time when I'm in the flow, I might make a few pieces just to drop off at my stockist so that there's new stock in there. I'm also getting hoodies printed. I'm going to design them or design the prints now and get them printed. I usually do my own screen printing, but I just think time wise I mightn't have time for this collection to fit in screen printing as much. I literally wear hoodies so much when I'm not filming my outfits of the week. I'm wearing a cozy, just a band hoodie or whatever. So I kind of feel why haven't I doing that for the clothes that I'm making, because it is kind of something that I'm wearing. So I think that's my plan, to make hoodies with skirts and also some kind of crossbody, because a lot of the time when I make my star bags I've been asked to add extra extension to the the strap so that they can be worn as a crossbody. So I'm why don't I just start designing that as well? So there's some things I'd like to achieve, probably not all this week because it's already Wednesday. So let's be realistic and think I'm going to continue working on new collection and get the orders finished, packed and sent by the end of the week, and then also start to think through ideas for prints for hoodies and t-shirts. Because I have a few weeks until the fashion week, I have some time for designing hoodies. So when this comes out, if you guys could let me know, do you wear hoodies or t-shirts, and if so, what colors do you gravitate towards? Do you wear white, black, pink, grey, and all that kind of stuff? It's really useful for designing because I might be able to set them up as made to order as well, so that even if I don't have them in stock I can get them made. Yeah, so I just thought I'd give you a little intro before we get into the video of that's where I am with things. I'm gonna go because it's gonna get really loud with trucks outside now, and we'll catch up in a bit. It is Friday. I think we caught up yesterday, but let me show you what I did because I don't know how much filming I did. I've just finished making this star bag. These bags are always made to order on my website, the star bag. So I'm just gonna get that packed up now. I make them with a really heavy, beautiful black satin, and it's all kind of quilted. Let me see, where's my phone? That's in comparison to my phone size. So they're pretty decent. They're like a tote bag size. But yeah, that one was ordered. So I'm going to get that packed and sent. We have 2 other orders that are somewhere up here. So I'm going to find out what is ordered and get up and get them. Okay. First order is one of the Fits Everything bags. I made these over the summer. It's got a matching charm. So that is ordered, so I'm going to get that packed and ready to send today. Okay, next order is a star bag. I actually can't believe this bag is ordered. It's one of my favourite bags, but it's off to a new home. So that is ordered with one of these collars from a summer collection. And then there's also a bag charm. I need to find out what bag charm is with this order. How cute is that bag? This was one of my summer ones. I've kind of made, these are the charms that I've made for the new collection. So they do kind of, they're similar enough to the bag, obviously different fabric. Yeah, happy it's going to a good home. And then here is the cute little charm that has been ordered with that order too. The fabric here on this charm is actually the same fabric as the star bag. So it's going to match perfectly. And I've designed them so you can just hook this part on there. So sweet. So yeah. That is quite a nice order heading out. Okay, so let me show you everything that's been ordered then. So the star bag with the charm in the kind of lilac pink. And with that order there is one of these collars with a square back. I think this was from spring, summer. Actually, no, I think this was from autumn, winter 2022 collection. Because I had it styled like over printed hoodies. Then this black satin star bag, that was a made to order piece. That's one I made yesterday. And then one of the Fits Everything bag with the charm. Okay, so I've just made my gift bags. I made this one for the pink stuff. I thought it would be a nice little contrast. And then this one is for the Fits Everything large bag. So I'm going to get the bag and the collar and everything tagged and ready to pack. Okay, so here are all the bits for the first order. We've got a collar, the charm and the sequin bag, and I've added my tags to everything, so I'm just going to get that packed into the bag now. Okay, and there is everything inside the gift bag. So now I'm going to pack the order for the Fits Everything bag, and I've made my gift bag for it out of this vintage fabric. So I'm going to pack it inside here. And then I have some gifts and thank you notes. So there are my 2 orders ready to go.